Let's navigate to the top right and click on Settings. Let's start by checking out My Domain. As you can see, our website is called photosbycaleb.godaddysite.com. When you're on a free plan, your website will always end in .godaddysite.com. If you'd like to connect a custom domain, you'll have to upgrade to a paid plan. Going further down the list, we can choose to customize our basic information, our social media links, Favicon, our Google SEO settings, and our site history. It's also important to note that your analytics and tracking information is found on this screen as well. But given that this is a beginner's tutorial, we're not going to cover that today. What we will configure is our Favicon. Let's click into this here. If I take my browser out of full screen view, and I check out my tab at the top left, you can see this little icon here. This is your Favicon. When a web viewer is on your website, their tab will have a small icon here. If you'd like to upload a custom Favicon to your website, simply click on the Upload button. I'll find my Favicon image here and double click it to upload. It'll then populate here on the right-hand side, and I can click on Done to close this out.